Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Cybereason, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect with Cybereason, start by visiting the official Cybereason website. Navigate to the contact or support section of the homepage. Choose the appropriate option based on your needs, such as sales inquiries or technical support. For sales inquiries, fill out the contact form with your name, email, and company details. Ensure that you include a clear message outlining your interest or specific questions. If you require technical support, look for the support ticket system. Create an account if prompted, or log in if you already have one. Complete the support ticket form with relevant details about your issue. Attach any necessary screenshots or files that may help in resolving your problem. After submitting your inquiry or support request, keep an eye on your email for a confirmation. Expect a response within the time frame mentioned on the website. If you do not receive a reply, consider following up using the provided contact numbers. Alternatively, utilize the live chat feature if available on the website for immediate assistance. You may also connect with Cybereason through their social media platforms for updates and support. Engaging with their professional networks like LinkedIn can provide additional insights and resources. Remember to provide feedback on your experience to help improve their service. These steps will guide you in establishing a connection with Cybereason. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.